Let's see how to delete the last page in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see, we have a document here that is about 5 pages long. So let's move to the last page and let's try to delete it. The first method is by simply highlighting it. So as you can see, highlight and then click backspace on your keyboard to delete this entire block of text. And as you can see, it has been deleted. And now there are only 4 pages left. But let's say you have a longer document. A method that can make this easier is by clicking on the navigation pane over here, which will show all of the pages, and then simply click on the page that you want to delete. And since we want to delete the last page, let's click on page 4 and click backspace on our keyboard. And as you can see, it has been deleted as well. I hope that helped, and I hope you learned something about how to delete the last page in Microsoft Word. See you soon!